abasondele siyafunda manje. Guys, yabo umuntu ozalwe ekseni angeka i-personality yakhe ifane nomuntu ozalwe ntambama, nomuntu ozalwe ebusika ngeke i-personality yakhe ifane nomuntu ozalwe ehlobo. Yabo why isikhathi sibaluleke kangaka kulento yokuthi unhloboni yomuntu? It's because wona ama heavens lawa, the field is divided with different energy archetypes in different regions. Yabo that is why ehlobo kwenzeka into ehlukile kunezenzeka ebusika, angithi yabona. So what can make umuntu ozalwe ebusika afane nomuntu ozalwe ehlobo? Yabo there is that thing. So ngoba uyazi umuntu wakhe i-DNA, yakho the DNA, kule DNA there are nuclear base. Lama nuclear base wona aqhamuka kanjani? Yabo how do this, because the nuclear base constitute the DNA strand. But what is the process? Yini yenza ukuthi umuntu abe yilento ayiyona based on the placement of planets and the sun in the heavens? But let me give a credit where it's to Ra Uru, the founder of the human design, the late Ra Uru, who downloaded the human design through the voice in approximately, if I'm not mistaken, 1987. So ngalesi sikhathi ubingelele changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunombani, ngoba impilo isiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Okay, good people. Alona iphutha ukuthi ube lenhlobo yomuntu oyena. Yeso. Sometimes kuzomela uzama ukufunda ukuphilisana nakho lokho ngoba khona into engeke uyishintshe ngawe. Yabo ama planets ukuplaceka kwawo la kukunika ukuba uhlobo oluthile lomuntu. Kodwa ke siqali la. Yabona i-universe le. We are in the dual nature of the reality. There is this and that. Yes, there is yin and yang, masculine, feminine. Yabo. So uma ngihlukanisa ke le Rave Mandala into two halves. Now I'm finding in la the yang, the masculine part, and the yin, the feminine part. Ngiyabo. So usho ukuthi kule region ekusukela around on November 6 kuya njalo ngala mhlambe around o May 3, it's a yang part. Gate 1 ula yini ke mase ngikhuluma ngogate 1 manje, le Rave Mandala le njobe represented that quantum field in the heavens. I Rave Mandala ina 64 gates. Nama 64 gates ama energy archetypes or energy flavors asiza ukwakha ama 64 codons akho. Lawo ma codons akha ama proteins, lawo ma proteins bese akha ini your cells, and then your cells are creating what you muscles, yabo. So these 64 codons, they are very, very important. Akama kula ma 64 gates ala, and uplaceka kwe planets ne planets la ngesikhathi ozalwa ngaso kunikeza wena ukuba uhlobo oluthile lomuntu. Mhlawumbe le video iyogcina idinga nobani no part 2 indlela ekungakhona. So kune masculinity ke to those people from around 6 November all the way, but masculinity is very strong on these regions up until uye ngokuya uba weak, because we are approaching the feminine part. So from 5 May uyale, that energy is very feminine. That is why those people are feminine in nature, yabo, receptive, and that's emotional, yabo. So it's not surprising ukuthi uthola ukuthi mhlambe most of them bazela amantombazane mhlambe bangabafana kusukela la, because that feminine thing or feminine energy is a very prominent lapha na kubona based on ukuzaleka kwabo isikhathi abazaleka ngaso. Nakho kokunye futhi ke okumele ukuthi ukwazi ke, angithi sengishilo kuno gate 2 ke ngala kwi feminine part, because 2 representa ini receptivity and 1 representa in creativity, masculinity, self-expression, is expressing itself on this part. Okay, the father and the mother, hlezi sikhuluma lezo zinto yin and yang. Bese siphinde say divide the foods into quarters, universe into quarters. Abona these different quarters now. Ukuthi uzalwe kiphi kodwa kusho ukuthile ngawe futhi, yabo. But that is not the main aim of this video. Ukuthi ngichaza ukuthi mawuzaleke kule kota what is happening. Maybe that can be a story for another day. But into engifuna uyichaza mina ngizokhuluma ngeplanet eyodwa la, the sun. I'll talk about the sun because the sun represents your soul, yabo. Ukuplace kwelanga la kwi gate ethile, it will make you a certain person, give you a certain personality, and impilo yakho ibe ne theme ethile kuyona. Ake sibheke nje la, yabona la i-quarter of initiation la, abantu abazalwa la, these people, the purpose is fulfilled through mind. Banakho kuba ngama they initiate, they want to be number one, they want to do things first, they want to, about those people from February, March, about April, those people want to be first, come up with things first, they want to be first, about that's what initiation. So they are here to initiate us, to change the way we think about those people. Ayisikhulume nje la lana ke kulama quarters lawo engiwabekile, kunama god heads futhi. Each quarter in a 4 god heads. Kusho mase wonke awu 16. Yini ama god heads? Ama god heads ama deities, yabo, these deities, yabo. Okukuthi nawo lo ma deities lawo are representa ama energy archetype athile kwikota ethile, yabo, njengalana nje. This is a Kali, the god of destroying of the false belief. Ngikhohle ukuthi yipi mythology, or is the Roman or Greek mythology onale godhead le, but the destroyer of the false belief, yabo. It's all about destroying la and coming up with something that is totally new, ngithi yabo. So uthola ukuthi ke uzalwe la, this is not a person, this is an energy, universal energy archetype blueprint. Okusho ukuthi masithiwa Kali bayifaka iflavor yokuthi ikanjani noma irepresenta noma iveza hlobo luni lokwenza, yabo, noma le manifestation, yabo. Ake sibuke mhlambe uKali unama gates awu4 noma ama energetic archetype, yabo, ukuthi uKali is a big energy. Okay, siqala. Oh, before ngize ngiye kude, angithi uyazi ukuthi kwi-RNA le kufike kube enama nucleobase awu4, okubani u-adenine, u-uracil, kube u-guanine, kube u-cytosine. Angithi uyayazi lento le i-RNA, and then mase kuba u-DNA uyashintsha ubani, kushintsha ba konje la, kushintsha u-U abe u-thymine. Okay, tenjalo bayazi ke laba benza science ke, mina biology ngiyenzanga no life science. So lezi zinto lezi angithi yabona ukuthi this C is in the quarter of initiation, the purpose fulfilled through mind, changing the way we think, coming up with the new. But kunama god heads awu4 futhi khona lapho, yabo, kule quarter le, and khona kulama god heads there are 4 gates again. These are energies njalo. U55 the gate of spirits, 30 the gate of desires, 49 the gate of revolution, 13 the gate of a listener, yabo. Possible ukuthi umuntu ozalwe ngo-February 3 kube ukuthi is a very good listener, avelalela, yabo, lo muntu loyo. Why? Angikho kodwa gate 13, but it's because vele it's a gate of a listener. That is the energy that we get here. Mhlambe njengananga u30 nje, u30 gate of desires, yabo. This is a gate of desires. Umuntu ozalwe ilanga lila, angazi umhlaka bani noma umhlaka I don't know, in the middle of umhlaka of 14, 15, 16 lapho February, umuntu ozalwe lapho langa li gate state, lo muntu unama desires, yabo. And ngifuna ukuthi ke siyibuke lento le, u-gate state angithi yamboka ukuthi kuphi la, futhi nakhona kunama nucleobase akhona ukuthi u-A, u-C, u-G, ethi ngibo u-U, ngithi yabo. Shuthi umuntu uzalwe ilanga li gate state, it is bani GAC. Iyephi leyo amino acid ekuthiwa u-GAC, GAC. Yiphi leyo amino acid? Upha 2 years awubungitshela yiphi leyo amino acid leyo.